Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question states, according to the concept of species-area relationship, the number of species in an area increases with the size of the area. Larger species require larger habitat area than do smaller species. Most species within any given area are endemic, and the larger the area, the greater the expansion rate. हमें क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है अबाउट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पीसीज एरिया रिलेशन or relationship. This concept was put forward by scientist Alexander van Humboldt, according to which he stated that the species area relationship is observed when area explored or area to be explored is increased. The species richness is observed, meaning that species richness increase, but this is up to certain period of time only. So what this concept states is that more the area for exploration, more will be the species richness. That is, the number of species is directly proportional to the size of the area. According to this, we can say that option A is the correct one, because larger species require larger habitat area than smaller species. This is not true. Most species within a given area are endemic. This is also not true. And larger the area, greater the expansion rate. This is partially true, but the expansion rate is limited up to a certain period of time. So the question, according to the concept of species area relationship, option A, the number of species in an area increases with the increased size of area. So option A is the correct answer. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.